Hitachi is over a 110-year-old company that operates globally. We focus on many industries and verticals where innovation is at the core, but more importantly, social innovation. I am Hisham Abdesamad. I'm the Chief Executive for Hitachi's Global Social Innovation business, as well as the Chairman of Hitachi America. What is social innovation? It's simply using innovation and technology to solve some big problems in society. And these are problems around healthcare, clean water, waste, safety, smart cities. A lot of the solutions that we work on have to align with our corporate and our strategic vision, which is about environmental value, social value, and economic value. We're focused on mobility and fleet. We're also focused on smart farming, manufacturing, energy, and then what we call outcome-based insurance. There's a lot of challenges in various of these industries and also a lot of opportunity, and social innovation is really our way of how we connect Hitachi to the world. Partnerships are important, ecosystems are important. What we do is we focus on the problem, identify partners that can work with us, and we work together to co-create a solution in the hopes that we can take that and scale it across various markets and also other industries. This is a very customer-centric solution and very agile methodology focused on the business problem and pain. When we talk about solving problems, we talk about it in a collaborative way where we work with our partners and our customers and tackle that together. Our customers know about the problem more than anybody. And then we bring our own innovation, and combined together, we can really focus on solving that problem. A lot of people ask me, how is social innovation business different? First of all, the makeup of our team. We're not just technology people, we're business people. So it's not just engineers, data scientists, delivery folks, project managers, marketing people, business development folks. I always say that we're not incubating for technology, we incubate for business outcomes and creating new business models. We tend to focus on industries where we actually are doing the job and operating. It just gives us that much more differentiation, but also tend to speak the customer's language, which is very important. We're not selling a product or pushing a piece of software. We're solving old problems that have been around for a long time, but leveraging new capabilities, new technologies. I think of it as a small micro company inside of a very large organization that's building out solutions in a very agile way. We're very focused on solutions that really can make a difference in the environment or in society. We're trying to leverage technology to what we call powering good. We want to contribute and power good and do good in the world.